Let's see what happens. It's like doing body work on cardboard. That whole corner's busted. I got to fix it. Got holes. I'm gonna fix that corner. And I'm gonna touch those nail holes with some dolphin glaze. Dolphin glaze, when you hear me talk about it, a little bit of hardening goes a long ways. I'm gonna try this dolphin glaze. I'm gonna fix this corner, see how it sands out. Then I'm gonna try a little primer. The thing about this door is it's wood grain. You can't sand it smooth. So the whole key up here is to get it smooth, fill the holes, and keep the wood grain. Not easy. Gotta get as smooth as you can. And I am sanding this dry. I don't want to introduce any water to this cardboard door. I mean, I don't know. I keep saying it, but I don't know what this thing's made out of. It's a press board or a particle board, something like that. So you gotta put the wood grain back in once you get it smooth. That's decent.